Hello everyone, welcome to our new video. Our Facebook ad series is going on. If you want to watch the whole series, you can come to our channel and watch those videos from here. Okay, so in today's lecture, we'll show you how to create a Facebook business page in 2023. So in order to advertise on Facebook, you need to have a Facebook page. That's why we'll create Facebook business page. Okay. So without further ado, let's create a new page. So for creating a new page, you just need to log in to your Facebook account, Then if you click on this plus button, then you will see an option called page. So I'm going to click on this. Then you can see create a new page. Okay. So you have to give a name of your page and category. Then you need to give a bio, So I will give the page name as learn digitally. Okay. And I'll give the category as advertising or marketing, then advertising agency, and maybe social media advertising. Okay, perfect. Then I need to give a bio. So I have written the bio as digital media buying and web analytics. Okay. Or I might include service. Okay, perfect. Then I'm going to click on this button called create page. Okay. Let's wait a little bit. So you can see learn digitally was created. Then I have to give the website URL. So if you have a website URL, you can give the website URL over here. Like I'm giving my YouTube channel URL over here. Okay, perfect. Then you can include the phone number. Okay, so for example, my country code is Bangladesh and I'm giving the phone number. Perfect. Then email address as, for example, learn digitally @gmail.com. Okay, perfect. Then I have to give the location, like I'm giving the location as Bonani, Dhaka. Okay, perfect. Then town and city, town as Bonani, postcode 1213. Okay, so hours, let people know your location hours. So it is an online service and I'm available 24/7. So if you want, you can customize it from here. Like you can give the specific hours of your availability, Then I'll click on next. Then I have to give a profile picture and cover photo. So I'm going to click on add profile picture. So I have already created a profile picture for this page. So I'm going to use it. So this is our profile picture. And I have already created the cover photo as well. So I'm going to use this one as cover photo. Okay. Let's wait a little bit. It is loading. Yeah, perfect. Then add action button. Okay. Customize your action button. So I'm going to click on try it. So for the time being, I'm going to be choosing send message. Okay, perfect. So call to action is send message. Then I'll click on next. So if you want, you can connect your WhatsApp to the page. So I'll not be connecting WhatsApp. So I'm going to click on skip. Then you can invite your friends. Like I'll click on invite friends. Then I'm going to invite some of my friends. Okay. So I'll click on send invitation. So you can see our page has been created. Okay. So let's click on next, and you can see over here page notification on your profile is on. Marketing and promotional emails about your page. So if you want to keep it on, then you can enable this toggle button. So I'll keep it disabled. Okay, I'll click on done. Let's wait a little bit. So you can see our page has been created. Okay, so you can see over here page health is good. Okay, so you can welcome to your new page by clicking on this tick tool. So I'll click on not now. So you can give a welcome post, or you can link your WhatsApp account, add an action button. Okay, so for example, I'm giving a welcome post. I welcome to our page. So I'll click on post, then it will be posted. Okay, so if I refresh the page, then you can see over here welcome to our page. Okay, so if you want, you can edit bio, edit your location, number, email, everything from here. Okay, so if you want, you can click on edit details. If you want to change anything like add hours, add services, so I'll click on add services. Okay, I'm gonna click on add services again. Then you can choose any services from here. Okay, or you can link your social media like YouTube channel, Instagram page from here as well. Okay, so you can do this as per your requirements. I'm going to click on lip page, and to change the URL of this page, so if I go to this page, okay, then you can see the random URL is available here. So I want to change the URL as learn digitally. Okay, so for going to this section, I'll click on settings. Okay, then you click on it, then you have an option called username. Then you can click on this username section and customize your username from here. Like I am giving learn digitally. Okay, username is not available. I'm giving it as learn digitally official. So username is available. I'll click on save changes, and I need to give my password. Okay, so I'll click on submit. So if I go to my page again, then you can see over here my username has been changed to learn digitally official. Okay, so yeah, this is how you can create a Facebook page, and by creating this Facebook page, we'll be uh, creating Facebook ads. So yeah, that's it for this video. Hopefully you have liked our video. If you like our video, then you can subscribe our channel, follow our page. You have a good day. Bye bye.